Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a website that we did about 2 months ago. And this is one of the few websites that we've done that are doing a dropshipping model. And typically we don't really go for dropshipping model shops because they're not really focused. You know, people are trying to sell all kinds of things. They're testing out different products and such. This client actually came to us with a shop that was functioning quite well. And he has narrowed in on a product that he finds works really well, and he is using influencers successfully and all that. That's, the sales are going really well. But he wanted to take the website to the next level. He felt the website didn't really represent a successful business. So we helped him rebrand the whole thing and really give it a nice, clean look. So I'm going to show you this one right now. So this is Modern White Dental, and they basically are a tooth whitening system that is quite trendy right now. You have this little, put in this paste, and it has like a LED light that helps whiten your teeth, kind of like at the dentist. So we completely, gave it a clean look. We asked him to take photographs of people using the product so that, we're not relying on the photos that you get from your supplier, but rather putting, your target audience. And once you've kind of have your business running and you know that it's a successful product, you know who your buyers are as well. So you can do something like that even if you're doing dropshipping. So all of this is basically using different elements. Of course, a lot of before and afters. This is a kind of product that, you need to show proof that it works. Otherwise, people are not going to buy it. And he has basically 2 types of products that he sells. So you either get the kit at the start or you buy these refilled gels once you've already purchased the kit and you need more gel. As you can see, it's full price. There's a little bit of urgency here. I really like this here. It's nice and clean still. Fits really, it's not one of these apps that you plug in and then suddenly it doesn't look like the design of the store and everything. Here we talked a lot about why they should get it. So what you get with your kit, the benefits that you have, and this one we also did the copy for. And then of course you have testimonials as well and the influencers that they use, which is great. Now if we go into the product page itself, you will see that we also have set up a subscription model. So using Recharge app, subscription model basically will allow you to continue to get this on a regular basis. And that one is here on the refills. And it's basically a way that if you have fans that are really liking your product and it's working for them, why not offer them a really easy way to get this product ongoing, right? This is awesome. As soon as you have a subscription, as soon as you can implement a subscription model, and of course it doesn't work on all products. If you're selling clothing, it's probably not going to work on items such as these, but in this case, this is a perfect one for subscription. You basically get ongoing revenue. I mean, how many of us have subscriptions that we just forget to cancel? I have subscriptions that every time they charge me, I'm thinking, oh no, I need to cancel that again. So people tend to forget these things, and especially if they're happy with your product, they're going to keep using it. So you just get a loyal fan base. So if you're doing any sort of similar product such as this, please do not hesitate to contact us and we can help consult you on the shop.